App crashing because of the System Diagnostics Event Log Module DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. I've identified the cause and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. Get the professional System Diagnostics Event Log Module fix you need by accessing the utility linked in the description. This is the System Diagnostics Event Log Module, the foundational library for reading and writing to the Windows event log within .NET applications. It manages the localized background recording of application state changes. If missing, the parent software will report log initialization failure and may refuse to launch for security reasons. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. The standard manual fix is a full reinstallation of Microsoft.NET. Grab the latest x86 and x64 Visual C++ installers from the Microsoft website and run them to restore the missing dependency. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the System Diagnostics Event Log Module file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Restart unsuccessful, no problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double check your inputs. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Ensure your hardware remains stable and your software stays under warranty by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files like System Diagnostics Event Log Module DLL. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. To reduce system-level conflicts, the maintenance utility below provides general guidance on managing System Diagnostics Event Log Module. If your workstation is back online and System Diagnostics Event Log Module is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.